Hi students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of class 10 Karnataka State Board SSLC, the advent of Europeans to India. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the introduction of this chapter and the European trading companies who came to India for the purpose of trade, about Portuguese, Dutch and English. In today's class, we are going to discuss about French. So, French, how they came to India and how they invaded and how they have taken political powers in India. Are you getting my point? And how their decline has happened in India. That is what we are going to discuss in today's class. See children, here about Portuguese and Dutch, if we see, understood. So we don't have that much stories regarding them. So Portuguese also has ruled around 100 years, but there was no competitors who were there during that time. So they ruled, understood. So they ruled our country for a certain period of time. As a trading centers they established, understood. But later on, French, English when they came, the Portuguese and Dutch cannot able to withstand with the competition with the English. Correct no? जैसा पोर्चुगीज और डच इंग्लिश जैसा आए, उसके तहत क्या हुआ बेटा, पोर्चुगीज और डच उस कंपटीशन को विस्टैंड नहीं कर सके, जिसकी वजह से उनके पूरे टेरिटरीज, उनका पूरा पावर उनके हाथ से चला गया. Got it? Now the French East India Company, the French East India Company, are you getting children? The French East India Company started as a government owned company. Are you getting children? They started as a government owned company. Should not forget this word. They started as a government owned company in the year 1664. In which year? 1664. समझ में आ बेटा, एक गवर्नमेंट कंपनी के तौर पर हमारे इंडिया में आए. Did you got my point? So French East India Company started as a government owned company in 1664, and then after they came, they started their first factory at where? Surat. Where they established their first factory? At Surat in the year 1668. In which year? 1668. And later on they established their factories in Machilipatnam, Chandranagore, Mahe, Karaikal, Kasim Bazar, Balasore. So they implemented their factories also. Did you got my point? ठीक है बेटा. French East India Company they came as a government company, government owned company in the year 1664. After they came, what they did? They started their first factory at Surat. सूरत में उनकी पहली फैक्ट्री बनी. सूरत में उनकी पहली फैक्ट्री बनी. उसके बाद में अभी बहुत से फैक्ट्रीज को वो एक्सपेंड किए. अगेन दे एक्सपेंडेड देयर फैक्ट्रीज इन Machilipatnam, Chandranagore, Mahe, Karaikal and Kasim Bazar and Balasore. Next, in the year 1674, the French, what they did? They took Valikandapuram from a local Muslim official. They took, समझ में बेटा, which is that place? That place name is important now here. Valikandapuram. The French took Valikandapuram from whom? From a Muslim, local Muslim official. From he was a much rich person of that place. They took that place from him. समझ में बेटा, वलीकंदापुरम एक लोकल मुस्लिम ऑफिशियल के हाथ में था, उसके पास से ये खरीद लिए, वो जगह को ये खरीद लिए. Are you getting my point? The French took Valikandapuram from a local Muslim official and developed it as a major trade center. That Valikandapuram now, Valikandapuram is the major trade center. Major trade center. Which is the major trade center of French? Valikandapuram. That they made as a major trade center. Later, it came to be known as that Valikandapuram. Later, it is named as Puducherry. It is known as Puducherry. Now we call that as Pondicherry. At that time, it is called as Puducherry, but now we call that as Pondicherry. Are you getting children? बेटा समझ में आया? Did you got my point? Understood? Very good. वलीकंदापुरम को उन्होंने खरीदा, खरीदने के बाद उसको मेजर ट्रेड सेंटर बनाया और उसका नाम को चेंज कर दिया. They changed that place name as Puducherry, that is called as Pondicherry. Now after that, now see children, from here the main history starts. Now till here whatever we have discussed, it's like a introduction, but now real movie start from here. The real movie is going to start from here. Now later on what happened, from here the story is very interesting children. You have to concentrate a lot. It's very interesting and easy to make out. See children, Dupleix, who is the person? Dupleix. Dupleix, he came as the first Governor General of French in India. Who is Dupleix? Dupleix is the first Governor General of French in India. Did you understood? Now they started their major trading center. No, someone should be there. No, for that in charge, as an in charge. So they made him as a first Governor General. But this fellow is very ambitious and courageous. ये बहुत हिम्मत वाला है और बहुत चालाक भी था. Got it? So he is very intelligent fellow. He is a very high ambitious person and he wanted to conquer the complete South India. He want to conquer means पूरा South India को मैं हुकूमत करना, मुझे हुकूमत करना है. Understood? I want to rule the complete South India. I want more power. I want more power. Understood? अब इसके अंदर क्या था? एक जज्बा था कि मेरे को पूरा साउथ इंडिया के अंदर जितना इंग्लिश के टेरिटरीज हैं उनका जितना बिजनेस है उनसे ज्यादा बिजनेस मेरा होना है. Did you got my point? I want to establish a major power in South India. That was his ambition. That was his target. That was his target. अब देखो बेटा, ये इसकी आस जो थी, इसकी आस क्या थी? साउथ इंडिया के अंदर मेरा पावर जमाना है. ये आस की वजह से कर्नाटिक वॉर स्टार्ट हुए. बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यूप्लेक्स, Carnatic Wars started. Now Carnatic Wars was held between whom? Between English and French. You should not forget this. Carnatic Wars was held between English and French. Any doubts? So this is the introduction of French and about the Carnatic Wars. समझ में बेटा? अब तक इंग्लिश भी बेहतर तरीके से चल रहे थे. इंग्लिश वाज आल्सो गोइंग ऑन ए स्मूथली मैनर. इवन फ्रेंच आल्सो वाज गोइंग विथ ए स्मूथ मैनर. बट ड्यूप्लेक्स केम एंड हिज एम्बिशन लेड टू Carnatic Wars. So children, I hope you have understood this session, right? Got it? So in the next session we are going to discuss how the competition was there between English and French in the next session. In our next session, we are going to discuss about the competition, how the competition been arise between English and French, what they did, and how the Carnatic Wars was started. That is what we are going to discuss in the next session. Got it? Now I can make a note of some questions related to French. Paragraph. When did French East India Company, when did French East India Company started as a government owned company? When did French East India Company started as a government owned company? 1664. Next question. Name the place where the French started their first factory. Question mark. In which year? Next question. Write the places in which in which the French established their factories. The French established their factories. Next question. How the French developed a major trade center? How the French developed the major trade center in India? How did the French develop or started as a major trade center in India? Next question. Who was the first Governor General? Who was the first Governor General of the French? Who was the first Governor General of the French? Question mark. What was his ambition? What was his ambition? What was his ambition? Next question. What led to the Carnatic Wars? What led to the Carnatic Wars? Question mark. Continue the same question. Between whom the Carnatic Wars was held? Between whom the Carnatic Wars was held? Got it, children? Very good. Still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it. Evershine Coaching Groups. Click the like button. Share this video as much as possible to your other friends. And do not forget to watch our each and every videos and utilize the opportunity to learn with Faisal sir. Right? Keep watching, comment, share and like. Thank you, children.